Hey guys, it's Cafe here, doing an unboxing of the Tournament Edition Arcade Fightstick, the BlazBlue Continuum Shift Limited Edition 1 for Xbox 360. Keep you there for a second. Okay. I'll show the outside of the box here for a second. I completely forgot what his name is. I think it starts with an H. Alrighty. Alright, so this is the back of the box. Sand my buttons and joystick. Premium quality components. Blah 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 blah. And big chunk of the cast right there. Favorite is Tiger. Taut's cool too. There's the top. Side, which I think is the new one, Lambda, or one of them, I forget. Too many of them that look exactly the same. Oh yeah, well, I like two. Okay, let's open this sucker. Okay. Yeah, I suppose I should have opened that first. Huh, that's cool. And that's all the packaging there is in it. It's a lot different from the Street Fighter 4 one, because that one they had like the magnetic cover and you open it up and there's the signed thing from Oh No. Here we got looks like a little manual, headset adapter. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. It looks nice. Got a cool design. It's got Noel. Why is that light on? Alright. There we go. Noel, Ragna. Completely forget what his name is, but he's there. Looks pretty much set up exactly the way that Street Fighter 4 one is. Got the clicky sound. Let's see, you got the turbo button, turbo LEDs, left stick, directional pan, right stick, guide button lock, guide button, and these Sunma buttons, but colored a little bit differently because it's a BlazBlue stick, not Street Fighter. Street Fighter ones are all white except for two black ones. This one's all set up BlazBlue. Very nice. Your headphone jack. Alright. On the back you've got your start and back buttons. And this is the cord bay here. That's your USB cord. And that is essentially it. Yeah, main reason I bought this was because I accidentally spilled shit on my old stick, and I'm lazy and I don't want to go through the process of taking it apart and modding it. Which, if it happens to this one, I'm going to, because I don't want to spend another $130. But, really, if it works the same as it did as the Street Fighter 4 one, then it's an awesome stick, considering it's the same thing, just different artwork, essentially. But, thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this video.